Hello friends, thanks for stopping by to watch another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stacy. In today's video, I am going to share with you how I set up this pocket planner. It's going to be more like a budget planner. So if you're interested in seeing that, just keep watching. All right, you guys. So if you've seen my planner lineup video for the beginning of the year, you will remember I used a skinny mini planner as my on-the-go wallet planner type of thing. But I found this cover and I think I love it more. It's a little more compact than the other planner I showed you. And definitely for the new use I'm going to use this planner for. I thought it would be great. So what I'm using this planner for is you can say budgeting, kind of keeping track of all of the bills that I need to pay each month, as well as grocery lists, and most importantly, keeping track of my schedule for work. Now, you guys, if you hear a lot of noise in the background, it is raining like crazy. It's like a rainstorm going on out there, windy and everything. But hopefully you're able to hopefully it won't distract you too much and we're able to get through this video. So if you're not familiar with this planner, go and check out my Notiq cover video, and I gave all the information about this planner. But in today's video, we're gonna get it set up. So if I can be honest with you guys, I've set this planner up, but just decided to set it up kind of with you guys because I took everything out to give you kind of an unboxing feel on the last video. So we're just going to hop in and get everything set up and let you see how it looks. So the first thing here, I am going to have to make it over. I have a piece of acetate, and my new thing for some reason is this line art. I am loving the line art. So you're going to see that theme throughout this planner. Wow, the rain is getting insane. So I just have a 2022 calendar I made myself on Canva, and I actually printed it on both sides, and it's paper clipped, and that's going to be the very first thing inside of this planner. Okay, and then the first section we're going to get into is our monthly section. These little divider labels I made myself here at home. That's my new favorite font. So line art in this font. Now the dividers I did get off of Amazon. They come in a pack of 12. They're really reasonably priced. These are the frosted covers here. And so since the rings are so compact in this planner, I really decided to use a month on one page. So this is just the dashboard. As you can see, more of that line art. And I am able to fit a full year inside of this planner. So I have January through December printed front and back. Um, and these inserts came from Simple and Trendy Co. So they are printables. Every insert you'll see inside of here are printables. All of the dashboards and stickers I made myself, and the dividers are from Amazon. And so I did do that to keep it pretty compact, because the only thing I really need to track are days that my husband is off, days that are pay days, and like when the kids didn't have school for spring break. I wanted to keep track of that. Now the next section we get into is going to be our weekly section. So this will be our weekly divider. Again, more of that line art dashboard. And I chose this one with coffee because in this section, it's where I'm going to keep track of my work schedule. If you guys don't know, I am a trained barista. I manage a coffee shop. So I just thought the coffee would be amazing for my weekly section. And then again, all of these inserts are from Simple and Trendy Co. And I did do the week on one page. That way I'm able to fit everything in here. Basically what I'm doing is just marking the days that I work with the little coffee icon, but then I'll go in at the end of the shift and write my actual hours so I can keep track of my hours. Anything special going on that week will go here. This pink dot here is where I would keep track of the hours. I would total it out. And then these little dots here are just marking days when my husband is off, so I can keep track of that. And again, all of the stickers you see here, I just made myself, and they fit perfectly. Even the date covers are stickers. These inserts do come undated, so I'll flip through and find you one where you can see it. This top tab here as well came from Amazon. I'll try to leave a link below. It did have a ruler kind of thing going on here, but I didn't think I would need a ruler inside of my pocket planner. So I did take acetone and clean all of that off and just added a this week sticker there. So I do, like I said, have a full year of these inserts. I'm thinking about trimming it down into maybe 6 months, but I haven't made up my mind yet. So this is how the insert would look if you purchased it from her. It's just a week on one page, and you're just filling your dates and what you have going on. The next section is the daily section. And in this section here, I am just keeping track of, and in this section here, I kind of run errands once a week. I really don't like going to the grocery store and things of that sort. So I try to do it all once a week. And so for whatever day that I decide that it's errands day where I have to go to the grocery store, maybe go and do other things, that's what these daily pages are for. I will not plan daily inside of here, but I can write down which stores I'm going to, different things like that. So again, at the time of making this, there were, I think about 44 weeks left in the year. So they are front and back. So I put 22 of these pages in here. That way I can keep track of those days that I go run errands. Now, the next section you're going to see is going to be my budget section. And let's see. And I just thought this dashboard was so cute. And it kind of made me think of budgeting, like passing money from one hand to another. So in my budget, I'm not going to show you, well, I can show you the first insert here. So the way I plan on doing it is keeping track of all my bills here, and then all of our grocery shopping here. And then on the back, I want to balance out my different accounts and my credit card. So that's how I plan on using it. So one insert would cover a whole month here. So of course I will put the price in, or the cost, and then I would total it out at the bottom. And then the same here, I would total out what our account balances are so we can keep track of that. And like I said, I do have enough for an entire year inside of here. And then the next set of inserts that are going to be in here as well, these are expense trackers, but I'm kind of using it as like a savings log. So I want to start a sinking fund this year. I think we spoke about that in the last video. So I'm just going to put the date, the amount that I actually put into that fund here. And then I'm just going to put like tally out or total out the amount in the account at the end. So that's kind of what I decided to do here. I have a few other things that I want to save for as well. So I have those inserts behind here. The next section is going to be our list section here. And I just love this dashboard here. Like, this is so cute to me. And I actually love when my husband kisses my forehead like that. So I think that's kind of why I got this this dashboard. I really loved it. And so what I have inside of my list section, let me see if I can share. I do have a grocery list because I will be taking this in the store with me. So this is like a master shopping list here. So I'll keep that inside of there, as well as our meal ideas, like our dinner ideas here. And then the very, well, not the last insert, but for this insert here, it's just a notes insert. But what I'm doing on the front is making a wish list for each person in my family. So I have one for my husband, my daughter, and my son. And then on the back, I just labeled it as different date night ideas. So of course my husband is date night, my daughter is girls night, and my son is lunch date. So I just write down a few ideas so we can spend a little one-on-one time with each other. And then the next one I have is just outings. So different outings or things we can do around the house or in the city. And then the very last section here is our notes section. And on here, I just have note paper. So this is the dashboard for that section. Again, I kept the line art theme throughout the planner. Now we're gonna wait just a minute to put these in because I need to put what's behind it inside. And so in the very back of the planner, I do keep my most used stickers. This is just a jelly pocket. Actually, it's kind of a DIY here. If you remember Bella Beautiful anniversary, about maybe 2 years ago, she gave us a jelly pocket for like a tea in. And I don't use it, so I decided to cut it down and punch holes in it. But what I designed inside of here are just, let me take it out. It's just a few of the 3 color dot stickers that I use here. And they all seem to be showing kind of the same color here on camera. But there's a gray and then a pink and a brown. And I just put my regular planning name here on the stickers. I don't think well, I know these stickers are not in the shop. It's just something I use for personal use. And then I just placed a cloth and paper journaling card over it on this side. And then on the opposite side, let's see here, I just have another journaling card and then a bunch of those coffee stickers. Hopefully enough for a year. Hopefully I do not have to work more than this. And then just those day dots that I use to date the planner. And so with this one, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 months that you're able to date with. And I made these really small intentionally just so that they could fit inside of this pocket here. Now in our new release, I will be releasing some day dots as well, so you guys keep your eye open for that. And then also I just have a page lifter here, and I just layered it with some cloth and paper journaling cards here just so it could be pretty from the back. So we're going to go ahead and add that and add our stickers here. And that way I'm able to have everything I need to plan with me at all times. Now, I do have a pocket here, and I actually just used a piece of Notiq's notepad and put it here because I was going to put my credit cards inside of here because I didn't want to put them inside of the pocket, but I still haven't made up my mind as to how I am going to do that. Recently, I just slid them here in the back because I do have like a keychain card holder that carries the most important ones. So the extra ones, I think I can slide back here. And then also in the front pocket here, I kept the April journaling card from the planner spot. So let's get her back inside of there. And then I have my authenticity card from Cloth and Paper, and I just have it tucked right there. And in the back, if you got the Cloth and Paper subscription box, they came with these mini memo notes. So I just went ahead and stuck it in this pocket back here, just in case I have to write something that I can pass over to someone or something like that. I have it. But this planner here I take to work with me, to keep track of my hours, as well as pull it out when it's time to pay bills each month and for the grocery store. So we're just going to do a quick flip through so you can see how everything's set up. I'll probably speed it up, and that will be all for today's video. So of course we have our pocket decor here. This intro dashboard, I would say. It's not really an inbox. And then we have our monthly section where we're using our month on one page inserts. And then we get into the weekly section here. And then we have a this week top tab. And we're just keeping track of when I work, when my husband's off, and if the kids have any appointments, anywhere that I would have to go or leave out of the house. And then the next section is going to be our, yes, it's going to be our daily section where I just have a list for when I'm running errands and leaving out of the house. I can put down everything I'm doing. And the next section will be the budgeting section. And in here, I just keep track of all of our monthly bills, budget out our accounts, and savings is what's in this section. And then you get to our list, and I did share with you guys our list. So we'll have like master grocery list and everything there. The very last section is notes, which is a few note pages just in case. You never know when you'll need a note page. And then here is just a jelly pocket that I keep stickers in, along with my page lifter. And I just decorated a little bit so it's pretty to look at all sides. So you guys, this is the setup here. As you can see, she still looks really, really good. Very, very compact. It does have that big back pocket where I can slip cash in if I want. But like I said, never thought I would be in rings, but I am loving this planner. Again, this is a Notiq cover. So if you're looking for this cover, be sure to check out the website. Also check out my Notiq cover video so you can see all the great accessories that come with this cover. And if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment below because I would love to hear from you, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, turn on your notifications so you won't miss the next video. Until next time, friends, have an amazing day. Bye.